Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to set default graphics for your particular apps and games on your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. So you can try this method. So for this guys, first you need to open your Windows settings. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, from the left panel, click on System, and in the right panel, go to Display like this. And in the display, guys, scroll down and find out Graphics. Just click and open it. Okay, like this. Now here you can get the all desktop apps, as you can see, guys. So in case if any apps and games is not showing in the list, here you can get the option add an app. Just extend this. From here you need to select Microsoft Store, or here you can get one more option, browse. Just click on it. Here you can get the all apps and games from here, as you can see, guys. So I am selecting this cricket game like this, and it will add it in my list. Just click on it and go to options, and here you can get the option to set the graphic card performance for this particular game. So I want to select high preferences like this, and then click on save. Now this particular game will use high preferences graphic card from my PC. So same as it is, you can try this method with your another apps and games. Okay, so that's it for today guys. This is a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.